Hello, guys. Again, this is Ron, the admin for clickworker.com, or I'm sorry, Clickworker Philippines. Well, for today, we are going to do something different. However, this is still a tutorial for another platform, and it is for Toloka Yandex. And you guys are probably wondering why I am posting this video about Toloka, wherein we are only supposed to discuss stuffs about clickworker.com. Luckily, I was able to get back to working for Yandex Toloka, and I'm not sure if I am going to continue working for it, but it's just that I created a new account so I can do tutorials to help you all out. Okay, so for today, again, this is going to be a navigation tutorial for Toloka Yandex. So once you are logged in to their website, you will be presented with the homepage. Now this is sort of a landing page wherein you will be able to see the tasks available to you. Now tasks will depend on your geographic location as well as the languages that you have chosen or put in on your Yandex Toloka profile. So as you can see, we have different tabs on the top. We'll go through that one by one. So for now, let's go back to uh, the homepage. You can go to the homepage by clicking on the Toloka icon right there, and what's going to populate will be the first tab, which is going to be the tasks. Um, so from there, you can sort all the jobs by newest first, the price, favorite first, and recommended first. Newest first will be something that they have uploaded recently. Price speaks for itself. It's how much you are going to earn. And under favorite, that is if you have added a particular task to your favorite list. How to add one? You can just click on the three dots like so and add to favorites. And after that, you also have the recommended first, which is something that they recommend for you to work on. Now, under active, if you click on this one, these are the tasks that you are currently working on. Now, awards tab will be your accomplishments, like your mastery activity, in the know, no sweat, it takes all kinds, pumped up, and finder. Now, awards are your achievements when it comes to the number of tasks you have completed. Activity will be about your activity within the portal, like setting up your profile, selfies, and for how long have you been working for them, etc. And the know will be related to all the trainings that you have accomplished or that you have finished and you passed. No sweat, same thing. These aren't really important, but these pertains to the tasks that you have completed or the number of tasks you have completed. Now it takes all kinds are for completing different projects. So for now, I have none. I think my profile was set back to zero. Now, pumped up, these are the skills that you have acquired during the training. And the finder will be field tasks. Now, for the Philippines, I don't think we have field tasks available to us, but maybe in the future we'll get one. So under profile, from here you will see your name, your location, your personal data. The money tab will show you stuffs like how to or where you can withdraw money, and history will be the history of all the tasks that you have submitted. Referral program, that is if you were able to refer a friend. Now to refer, just click on copy this link right here. Notifications are just messages from the admin. Now these are actually the options for you. If you want to get notification on events such as withdrawal, error with it, if you linked a wallet like Skrill or PayPal, skill assigned, that is after training, uh, account blocked, account unblocked, news and offers, and then new messages. So that's basically it under profile. For messages, these are the messages from the admin or from their clients or requesters. And you can also filter them out by colors. Now, I'm not sure if this is orange or yellow, but it's for notifications. Red ones are from the administrator and requested by our messages from requesters. And you also have at the bottom links to the user agreement, feedback, help, and how to change the language. All right. So I think those are the explanation about the tabs available to us. Now, right here, the question mark icon is actually just knowledge-based resource wherein you can get help, you can get information about Toloka, withdrawals, feedback, and user agreement. And this is the amount I was able to earn since I started working. And this is going to be the one that's available for me to withdraw. Now, if you click on this one, with your photo and your name, it'll take you back to either Yandex or get an option to log out. Okay, that's basically it for the Toloka Yandex portal navigation. Now, if you do have questions, um, you can drop a message in Facebook. Look for clickworker.com and look for my name. I am the admin for Clickworker Philippines. Did I mention clickworker.com? No, I am the admin for Clickworker Philippines. No, clickworker.com is another online job or data annotation and collection company that's offering online jobs in every part of the world. Though it's limited, some of the countries are banned from working with them. And I hope everything here is clear enough and I was able to help you out. Again, if you have questions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.